Hey guys, I'm Brianna here at Able Locksmiths, and actually found them on CraigShipp.com because I was actually looking for a new key for my car, the 2006 Honda Accord car, and here I have the old key. The 4 buttons on the car key were literally not functioning at all, and so I had to come here for them to cut it and program it for my car, and I think it actually works. So thank you, Able Locksmiths.
Hi, I'm Dan from Able Locksmiths. We offer a wide variety of automobile keys, especially the new ones that you have to program. We carry most in stock, and any one that we do not have in stock we can also order. So what we'll do is we'll run it on a machine and decode the key and cut you a test key to make sure that it pulls a good code. And then we will cut it on the remote head key, go out and hook our machine up to your car and program your car key.
If you enjoy local content like this, please like, comment, and share this video. If you own a local business, please join us.